If your walls are already finished, but you need to install an outlet, switch, or cable jack, you'll need to install an old work electrical box, which is sometimes called a retrofit box or remodel box. Unlike a new work electrical box, which is designed to fasten to studs or joists before drywall goes up, an old work electrical box fastens to a finished wall, which is after the drywall goes up. All right, now it's time to prep the wall. Before I do that, I want to make sure the place that I'm putting my old work box doesn't have any plumbing, electrical wires, or studs behind the wall. And I've already done that part. I've decided I would like to place my old work box right here. To make sure it's level, I'll use a leveler and place it right on top and line the bubble up right in the middle. Now I'm going to grab a pencil and I'll be tracing around the box, making sure to avoid the ears of the box. If you grab a utility knife, you can score the wall over the pencil lines with your knife. Now I'm going to grab a keyhole saw, which is also called a drywall saw. I'll put it in one of the corners and just use my hand to push into the wall. Next, I'll just move back and forth and saw the hole out. And there you have it. Next up, I want to make sure the box fits into the new hole. All right, now I'm ready to take it out and get my cable ready. Sometimes you might need a little screwdriver to increase the size of the hole by just pushing down, creating some leverage to push down. Now I'll try feeding it through. Perfect. And I'm pulling the cable through, so there's about 6 inches or so in the box. Now I'm ready to put the old work box into the wall. What I've already done is tightened and loosened these screws to make sure they slide very easily. Set the box into the wall and grab a screwdriver and screw it into the wall. I'm installing a coaxial cable jack, so I'll connect the cable to the cover plate. Now it's time for me to attach the cover plate to the old work box. And I'm lining the screws up to the holes and just screw it in. I'm ready to watch some TV.